Hey, you want me to open it? Oh, you got it? Oh! How do you get it open? How do you get inside it? What the? What toy did you get?
I got it.
Oh my goodness! You want to know what her name is? Her name is Rarity.
You're gonna know it. Look, mommy, they're gonna know it.
Whoa!
Okay.
You just gotta take a bite. Chomp down. There you go.
Bug. A bug. Look, there could look a bug.
Yeah. What happened, Coz? Oh my goodness. Did you fall down? Oh, speaking of falling down. Hi, Desmond. Hi. Oh. There's a bug on her right there. Oh my goodness. A bug. Just blow it, Cozy. Just blow. Watch. Bug on. Are you going to have a picnic?
A bug on me.
Yeah,
And mommy blew up by a bug.
she did. What do you got?
A cat. A cat.
A cracker.
Can you tell everyone what we're doing?
I see tea.
Where are we going?
That.
And what are they gonna do?
Bite my teeth.
Brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Make them clean?
Yeah, look.
And you're gonna be brave? Are you gonna be brave?
Yeah. It's you and teeth.
They're gonna clean her teeth too?
No, mine.
Oh, okay. But you're gonna be brave like Ellie?
Yeah.
Good.
I keep my eye. Help me.
Keep her right there where she's safe. Yep. Good job. Okay, say I'm gonna be brave.
My big way.
Like a...
Elsie.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, show me your pretty teeth. Yep, good job. Okay, we're off to the dentist. This is like torture for me. I hate taking her, but we're gonna do it and she's gonna be good. Right, Cozy? We're gonna be brave? Oh yeah. And so this will probably just be a checkup where they look at her teeth and then we'll have to come back and get some of the cavities fixed.
No.
But it's gonna be good. And then afterwards, we get to go to Walmart and get a new toy, right?
Oh, I'm a new toy.
A what?
A toy get toy.
Oh, okay.
A toy.
All right.
A large toy.
So, we'll see you in there. Go take your clothes off. Put the sucker right here. I'll watch it. Okay?
No, don't take it my side.
Don't what?
Don't take it my side.
Don't take a bite?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why donkey? Not one.
Okay.
You're not ready.
Okay. Can I have a bite? No. Okay, I won't take it. I won't take it.
Don't my side. Not eat my side.
Okay.
Not eat my side.
Okay.
My papa, get my side.
Okay. Lick.
Get to it. 5.
Okay. Okay, go get your clothes off. What? Cozy. We're gonna go to the parade.
The parade! Do you want to go? They might throw candy at us.
Candy!
Yeah? Let's go! Show them your room? Alright, we'll show them. Oh! So Cozy got a new room, right? We finally moved her out of our bedroom and put her back in the other bedroom because my house has been the house of visitors and guests and people that live here. But we got a bedroom. So there she is. My little minimalistic bed. I know I'm weird. All right, let's go to the parade, guys. Let's make mommy look somewhat presentable. Okay, come on.
Cozy, can you wave? Hi! Say hi! Bring me candy, please! There you go! Keep pumping. Ready? Put them right there. And pump, Cozy, pump. There they go. Okay, sit up higher, Cozy. Sit up higher. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ready? Good job, Desmond! Good job! Yay! Good job. You hear him?
Yeah.
Watch out, let's go back! You're great. Nick's first attempt. Is that good? Mm. Oh, that wasn't good. Good job. Okay. Look at me.
So the chicken is.
Whoa, wow. Look at this.
Oh, I got an 8.
Wow. Oh, that's mine. That's Nick's.
Is this me?
It's gonna be a little spicy. You want some? Be careful. Silly goose.
This is our first time at Cut Bop, and your sauce is rated 1 through 10. I got an 8,
Nope, right
which is
here.
hot. So we'll see how it goes.
Oh, you got an 8? Oh, Sam's doing it.
This is the red sauce that's the hottest.
That's hot. Hottest? Is it hotter than
The burger and
than the Chattanooga burger?
no.
No. Good job, Rose.